Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are well. Now in the last session we have done the two exercises, that is exercise number 1.3 and exercise number 1.4. Now today we are going to continue our chapter with exercise number 1.5. The exercise number 1.5 is about the predecessors and successor. Moreover, we will also learn the concept of comparison of number. Okay. So before solving the exercise, let's have a look.
So let's start with the revision of concepts that are needed for solving the exercise number 1.5. The exercise number 1.5 is based on the concepts of predecessor and successor. Now, as you already know what is predecessor, the number that comes just before the given number is called its predecessor. It means that for finding out the predecessor, what you have to do, you just need to subtract 1 from the given number. Now let us take an example to clarify this concept. Now here in the example number 11, A part states that find the predecessor of 4260831, that is 42,60,831, and B part states that write three numbers which lies between the numbers 5321234 and 5321230. Let's start with the part A. Now in the part A, you just need to find out the predecessor of 42,60,831. So for this, what you need to do, you just need to subtract 1 from the given number, and when you will subtract 1, you will find that the predecessor come out to be 42,60,830, which is your answer. Now in B part, you just need to write the three numbers which lies between the 53,21,234 and 53,21,230. Now for this, again you need to find out the predecessor starting from the first number. So firstly, we just need to calculate the predecessor of 53,21,234, which is calculated by subtracting 1, and we get the predecessor as 53,21,233. Now for this number, we need to calculate the predecessor, and the predecessor of 53,21,233 will be 53,21,232, and then the predecessor of this number, that is 53,21,232, will comes out to be 53,21,231. So the number that lies between 53,21,234 and 53,21,230 are 53,21,233, 53,21,232 and 53,21,231. So this is the concept of finding out the predecessor. Moving on to our next concept. Our next concept is about calculating the successor. So what is successor? Successor, we can define it as a number that comes just after a given number. And again, for calculating the successor, what we need to do, we just need to add 1 to the given number. Now let us understand this concept also with the help of an example. The example number 12 says that find the successor of 35645,078 and write two numbers which lies between the number 4545935 and 4545938. Let's start with our part A. In part A, we need to calculate the successor of 3,56,45,078, and for calculating the successor, we just need to add 1 to the given number. So when we add 1 to 3,56,45,078, we get our answer as 3,56,45,079, which can be written as 3,56,45,079. Moving on to our part B. Our part B says that write two numbers which lies between 4545935 and 4545938. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to calculate the successor of 4545935, that is 45,45,935. So how should we calculate this? We just calculate this by adding 1. So by adding 1, we get our successor as 45,45,936. Now we need to calculate the successor of this number, and for this again we add 1 and we get our successor as 45,45,937. So 45,45,936 and 45,45,937 are the two numbers that lies in between 45,45,935 and 45,45,938. So these are the concepts that are needed to solve the exercise 1.5. I think now we are ready to solve our exercise 1.5. So let's have a look at the questions that need to be solved in exercise 1.5. This exercise consists of 3 questions. Now let's start with the first question. The first question is write the predecessors of each of the following. So what we need to do, we need to calculate the predecessor of the given numbers. Now as you can see in part A, the number is 522,32490, which can be read as 5 crore 22,32,490. Now for calculating the predecessor, what we need to do, we just need to subtract 1 from the given number, and when subtract 1 from the given number, we found that our answer comes out to be 522,32489, which can be read as 5 crore 22,32,489. Moving on to our part B. Our part B has digits 89,70,000, which can be read as 89,70,000. Now for calculating the predecessor, what we need to do, we just need to subtract 1 from the given number, and when we subtract 1 from the given number, we found that our answers comes out to be 89,69,999, which can be read as 89,69,999. So in this way you can calculate the predecessor easily. Now part C and part D are meant for your homework. The digits in part C are 5208300 and in part D 4238877. So what you need to do, you just need to subtract 1 and find out the answer. Moving on to our question number 2. In question number 2, what you need to do, you need to find out the successor. So question number 2 states that write the successors of each of the following. A part is 626,979. Now for calculating the successor, what you need to do, you just need to add 1 to the given number. So when we add 1 to 626,979, we get our answer as 626,980. So the successor of 6,26,979 is 6,26,980. Moving on to our part B. Part B is 27,63,599, which can be read as 27,63,599. Now for finding out the successor, again we just need to add 1, and when we add 1 to the given number, we found that the successor comes out to be 27,63,600, that is 27,63,600. So in this way you can calculate the successor of part C and part D, which is meant for your homework. The digits in part C are 4589888 and in part D are 276888999. Okay, so I think you can easily do the question in your homework. Moving on to our question number 3. Now in question number 3, what is given over here, you just need to observe the patterns and fill in the blanks. It means that these usually are for the predecessor and successor. You just need to find out that in which question you need to find out the predecessor and in which question you need to find out the successor. Now part A is dash dash 8728604 8728605. Now in this question you need to find out the predecessor of the given number. So if you will see that the first number that is written over here is 87,28,604. So first of all, let us find out the predecessor. For this you just need to subtract 1, and when we subtract 1, we get the number as 8728,603, that is 87,28,603. Now this fill our second blank. Now for filling the first blank, you need to find out the predecessor of second blank. The second blank digit is 8728,603. Now subtract 1 from it and you will get the answer of your first blank, that is 8728,602. So this 87,28,602 is the predecessor of 87,28,603. So the two blanks that we have found out are the digits 8728,602, 8728,603, and our continue pattern will be 8728,604, 8728,605 and so on. The part B and part C are meant for your homework. The part B has digits dash dash 3330817, 3330818. So first of all, find out the predecessor of 3330817, and the answer that you will get, you have to find out the predecessor of that digit also. In part C, you just need to find out the successor. The digits are 941,43243 and 941,43243. 43244. You just need to find out the successor one by one. So in this way you can easily calculate the predecessor and successors of the following digit. So this completes our exercise number 1.5. Now since we are done with exercise 1.5, let us revise the concepts of exercise 1.6 also. However, we are not going to solve this exercise today. We just revise the concepts that will be required for solving the exercise 1.6. Now, the exercise number 1.6 is all about comparing numbers. As you have already learned how to compare the number in previous classes, moreover I have also taught you in the different videos of number sense and in the video of the same chapter also. Let us revise it quickly. So numbers can be compared by the place value of the digits in the number. We have learned to compare the smaller numbers. Now we shall follow the same rules for comparison of bigger numbers. Rule number 1 states that the number with more digit is greater than the number with fewer digit. It means that for calculating the greater or smaller number, you just need to first of all count out the number of digit. If one digit has more number, then it will be greater. For example, here it is written as 857347 and 65781. Now 857347 is a 6-digit number, whereas 65781 is a 5-digit number. So only by looking at the number of digits we can say that 857347 will be greater. The rule 2 states that if two numbers have the same number of digits, we compare the digits from the extreme left and continue till two different digits are found. These digits are compared to decide the greater and smaller. It means that for finding out the comparison of the two digits having same numbers, then what we need to do, we just start comparison from the left side of the number and will move on further until we found the difference in digit, that which is greater and which is smaller. Let us understand this with the help of an example given here. Here the example number 13 states that separate the numbers using commas and find the biggest number from the following. So first of all you just need to put the commas in between the numbers and have to find out which is greater and which is smaller. Part A is 333071888 and 9454342. So let's see for the solution of part A. Now when we put the commas, as you already know, for putting the commas we just start counting from the right hand side. If we use the Indian system of numeration, we just put the comma for the 3 digits and then after that we will just put the commas after 2 digit each. So after putting the commas, the digit has become 3, 33, 07, 188 and 94, 54, 342. Which can be read as 3,33,07,188 and 94,54,342. Now, since both the digits are of different number digits, the number of digits in first number is 8 and number of digit in second number is 7. Therefore, definitely the first number will be greater than the second number. So, 3,33,07,188 will be greater than 94,54,342. Moving on to the part B. The part B has the digits 443055026 and 430-55357. Again, let us put the commas. After putting the commas, we found the digits are 44, 30, 55, 026 and 4, 30, 55, 357. Again, if we compare the number of digits in the first number is 9 and the number of digits in the second number is 8. So, again definitely first number will be greater than the second number. So, 44 crore 30 lakh 55,026 will be greater than 4 crore 30 lakh 55,357. Let us take one more example. Now here example number 14 says that find out which one is greater. The digits are 23452,926 or 23462,926. Now as you can see that if we count the number of digits, if both the numbers both have the same digit, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, both are 8-digit number. Now what we have to do, we have to start comparing the digits of both the numbers from the extreme left to find out which is greater, which is smaller. So let us compare the first digit, that is 2, that is same. So moving on to the next digit, that is 3, again same. Moving on to the next digit, that is 4, again same. Moving on to the next digit, that is 5 in 1 and 6 in another. So here we can see that in both the given numbers the digits at the crores, 10 lakh and lakhs place are same, but the digits at the 10,000 place is not equal. Since 5 is less than 6, therefore 2 crore 34 lakh 52,926 will be less than 2 crore 34 lakh 62,926. So in such case, what you have done, you just need to compare each and every digit starting from the extreme left. So in this way you can easily compare the numbers. Now this concludes the concept that are needed to solve the exercise number 1.6. However, one small topic is left, that is about the forming numbers, that we will continue in our next session and solve our next exercise number 1.6. Okay, now it's your time. You have to do the practice of the questions that we have studied in exercise number 1.5 and have to complete the homework as well. If you will not do practice, then there will be confusion in the concept. Okay, so practice regularly, and if you have any query, you are free to ask on our school email ID. Our school email ID is vbbshakarpuronlineclasses@gmail.com. You just need to write down your name, your class, your subject and your query or your homework and send it to on our mail ID. Okay, so this was all for today. Now keep practicing, complete your homework and see you in the next session with the next exercise. Okay, till then, take care. Bye.